Hi students, now I'm going to take social lesson water. Do you know what is water? Yeah, we all know what is water. Let me explain. Water is clear liquid that has no color, taste or smell. Water plays an important role in day-to-day life. All living things need water. Plants need water to make their food. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. And also, many things need water like gardening, washing clothes, and cooking. So, water is the basic need to live our life. Let's move on to the next topic. Source of water. See the given image. What it is? Yeah, rain. Most of the water comes from rain. So, rain is the main reason we all getting much water. And rain is the main source of water. Some rainwater fills on the surface area like puddles, ponds, lakes, streams, rivers and seas. And some rainwaters goes deep into the ground. So that groundwater fills up wells, hand pumps, tube wells. So, people use hand pumps and tube wells to draw out groundwater. These are the source of rainwater. Next topic, storing water. We store the water for later use. So, we can use it in many ways like drinking, cooking, bathing. For drinking and cooking, we use jugs, bottles and earthen pots. As well as we use steel jug, glass bottle, plastic bottle, etc. For bathing and washing, we use bucket, drum and tank. These all things helps to store the water safely. Okay, next one, saving water. We can use water in many ways. Close the taps after using them. While bathing and brushing, use small amount of water. Based on your need, use the water properly. So, you can save the water as much as possible. Next one, drinking water. Clean drinking water is tasteless, colorless and odorless. How should you drink the water? First, you have to boil the water. Then, filter the water. After that, store the water in closed container. So, it is healthy and important to drink clean water. Then, you should not use dirty water. It's not good for your health and cause diseases. There are many ways to keep clean water. Do not allow drain water to flow into a river. Next, do not wash clothes in a pond or a river. Do not allow animals and people to defecate near water bodies. What is the meaning of defecate? Do you familiar with the word? No? Okay, let me explain. Get rid of solid waste from the body. Get rid of solid waste from the body. Next one, do not throw garbage near your water. You should teach the importance of clean water to your family, friends, and surroundings. So, it is useful to live healthy life. These all the things we have learned. What is water? What are all the source of water? How to store the water and how to save the water and how to drink the water and what are all the ways to keep the clean water. Okay students, hope you enjoyed the class. See you in next class. Be safe, stay home. Bye.